Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex strippers.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. If y'all haven't been following me and stuff down here in Houston, they do have a bad storm that occurred out here. So I've been waiting on my apartment, and my apartment isn't ready. So I've been going to hotel to hotel, and this is a hotel that actually have a washer and dryer, which is really a blessing. I just got a phone call and they said that they're gonna have the inspection on Friday, so I'm so excited. Like, this is a blessing. Me and my family been going through a lot. The storm, the lights, no air conditioning, no nothing. But this hotel has really been a blessing. So I'm about to wash these clothes right here. They actually have a washer and dryer right here, which is pretty cool. In every hotel that we have been to, they'll say they don't have any openings, or they're all occupied or something like that. We've been through a lot. And it's gonna be my first time vlogging throughout the whole little storm. It's I think this is day 9 or 10, but it's the whole Houston area. So right now I'm about to show y'all the washer and dryer that they have. See, this is their washer and dryer they have at the hotel. I've never seen this before. Like, this is crazy, but it's a blessing though. Okay, I put the quarters in. It's an old-timey washer, I think. Don't work. Okay, now the clothes are washing. First, I didn't know what to do, so I was kind of lost. But you put the clothes in there, put the detergent in there, and then close the lid, and then you press start, and then you put the quarters in there, and then you wash it. And I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'll probably come back so I can put the clothes in the dryer right here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go back up here to the room. It is hot in Houston, Texas right now. It's hot. But I'm gonna give it about like 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back down there and put the clothes in the dryer. See? I'll come back. All right, we back down here and they're done. So I'm gonna put them in the dryer. See, they done. I didn't know how to work it at first, but I'm gonna put the clothes in the dryer. All right, y'all, we got the quarters in there. So now we gotta figure out, let's do regular heavy, and you just gotta press start. See if it turn on. Oh, gotta put the quarters in. There we go. Now you gotta press start. Okay. So I'll come back down probably like 15-20 minutes. But yeah, I'm done washing. We got the clothes out the dryer, out the washer. These are their instructions right here, which is pretty neat. Now I'm gonna go back up to the room. All right, y'all, so the clothes are dry. I'm gonna get all the clothes out. To me, it's a 10 out of 10. Recommend at a hotel to have the wash and dryer on the property because it's very convenient. Look, this is the room that we're in. It's actually nice. Y'all like this room?
Yes. Yeah. Mama, blue jar works. Blue jar?
Look at the wall.
Oh, what is it called?
Look at the bed.
Can we ask it? Do they have radio?
They got a microwave, refrigerator.
What? Nigga, light. A light's not. A light's nasty.
Oh, look. They even got a little. It's cute.
What's this? Oh, it's comfy. Mommy.
Okay, the hotel that we at now, they have like a little trampoline on here. So we about to go jump. Finna go jump. What? I'm gonna show y'all. It's all the way over there. Better not fall.
Don't jump real rough and rapid. You got babies on there too. You gotta take off your shoes. You gotta take your shoes off.
This is the apartment?
Yeah, hold on. The chosen on here. Y'all got to really be careful, please.
They jump on mine.
Wow.
That's pretty cool, look. They even have like a part right there where you can put your little food. And the highways over there. They even have a barbecue pit.
You make it
Don't scream, Carter.
Are you jumping on purpose or falling? Daddy, you daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Take your eyes off of me. Please don't.
Bouncing on the oh.
Okay, stop jumping. Let everybody get their balance.
Huh?
Everybody got to take
Every time chairs bounce up, bounce up. And then every time I bounce, I fall.
That's you.
Get away from the hole.
Bounce it, jump. No! I'm scared to fall. Daddy. They take out that.
Daddy gonna let you jump with
Daddy, take it out,
when
Daddy.
the big kids get out. I'll let you go in there and jump.
I just got it off.
Hey, this thing.
Why is the floor like that? Oh!
Don't jump so high.
That's a hole right there too.
All of them in there.
It's a hole.
Are you ready to get out?
Daddy, it's a hole in the middle.
Chosen, you ready to get out already?
You keep on coming over here, I can't bounce. Stop. You want to get out? You
Wait, don't go off my view. I got to watch your baby brother. What you trying to say?
If I jump on there, everybody gonna go up in the air. So I go. Cut it like out.
Be jumping.
But
Be jumping.
Nah, we going to
Oh no.
oh, you're gonna get shot.
Nah, you heard me?
You gonna be able to jump.
Okay.
You're gonna be like Cassie.
You gonna be like Cassie? Okay, y'all. My 3 little ones are asleep. I took them all a bath. And now my 2 oldest ones aren't asleep yet. So let them go to sleep. And then in the morning, I'll come back and vlog with y'all. Until then, I'm about to get some rest. No. Jump. That's it. Okay, go slide. Can you tell about yourself?
This is my room, Mom. Mommy, this is my room. I forgot.
How you come from right there? What are you doing?
What?
You can I think it's supposed to sit down.
Where's Tassie?
I like that one, baby stuff. I think that's babies. It's for babies.
You go up under there?
Yeah. Mommy, sleep. This up here. That's a baby shave. So I got her baby children. Yeah.
Okay, I don't want you to fall, Chelsea.
It's now I do have to go.
Where's the food?
Just wait.
This play shape.
I don't want to play no more.
Okay. The food. Oh, look, it's a game. That's that game I play police game.
Welcome back to the vlog, y'all. We are at Red Cross Shelter. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Just hold on. I don't want to record everybody, so it looks like everybody. That's the outside. I go Chase. I mean Chance. I go Chase.
And shame me not. They said, did we not forbid you to speak for all and sundry? He said, there are my daughters to marry if you must ask so. Surely by your life, O prophet. In their wild intoxication, they wander in distraction, hither and thither.
Is that 31 days?
Huh?
Is that 31 days?
No, this is the Holy Quran. Right?
Is that it?
Huh?
Is that it?
No.
Okay.
Keep going.
All right.
How do I jump?
And we have bestowed upon you the 7 often repeated verses of the Grand Quran. Strain not your eyes wistfully at what we have bestowed on certain classes of them, Lord, read over them. But lower your wing in gentleness to the believer, and say, I am indeed he that warns openly without ambiguity.
Which I seen Carter?
They touching the dog.
How was that? That's nothing. How was that?
I'm showing.
What's it?
Stop. It's my bag.
What's it?
Mom, can I come the bag?
The bag is up in there.
I want to play rolly.
That's yours.
Everybody, we're not going to kick the ball. Can I see it?
Look. Okay, y'all, welcome back to the vlog. This is day 2 at the Red Cross shelter. We just chilling. I think it's a movie up there. See, it's a movie over there. And my kids are just chilling. They made some new friends and stuff. We just got done eating dinner. It was some chicken and like some potatoes and corn and like a little biscuit. It was pretty good. But this is day 2. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. We're eating cereal this morning. Alright, y'all, we have reached the end of the vlog. This is day 1 and day 2 of me staying in the shelter with my family. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come on to China's World. Be blessed. Stay prayed up. And I'll see y'all on the next vlog. Peace. Also, too, what you doing? Go ahead and subscribe, baby. Subscribe to China's World. Peace.